Welcome back to my morning point analysis videos with me, Rich Market Analyst at Hantec Markets on Tuesday, 23rd of October. Let's have a look at sterling dollar. Cable under pressure yesterday, big downside break actually. Over 100 pips of downside in yesterday's session. And it really did sort of shift the outlook again. This uptrend that has been in place for the past 9 weeks or so, getting broken to the downside. Look at these momentum indicators, RSI, sort of 42 levels that sort of on the limit, isn't it? And it's ticked a bit higher today. It's just an unwinding move, I think, within this sort of consistent run of lower highs, lower lows in the past week and a half. It's not sort of unexpected to see the market bouncing a bit. I mean, you've got the Brexit politics, which on a daily basis give you sort of swings of sentiment, I suppose, on sterling. But the general trend seems to be lower on sterling. Having broken that uptrend, you're sort of back to 30 big figure again, basis of resistance around that. And I think a retest of 29.20 is sort of coming. Look at the MACD lines and stochastics, you'd sort of point towards that. Although obviously we just had today's rally, which is, I think, probably going to be another chance to sell. You've got that RSI around 60 tends to be limiting, around neutral on MACD tends to be limiting. But as I said, 30 to 30.10 resistance area initially. Then 30.90 was yesterday's higher, and that again, if I sort of zoom out, actually sort of 30.80, 30.90, a bit of a pivot area in the last few weeks. Actually, consistently sort of seems to be lows and highs around this sort of 30.90 level. So that will be an interesting level to get to if the market can reach it on a recovery, but I don't think it necessarily will. I think it will peter out before then and start to fall over. But certainly today's rally is helping to improve the outlook, but I don't think it's not on a sustainable basis yet. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later.